Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting into like a little series for my wigs because I'm about to change it up a little bit. I'm not doing like Wigalicious Wednesdays or wig wearing Wednesdays or wig of the week, so I don't know. We'll get the tagline soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Make sure you turn on your post notification bells, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. I have a unit that I'm going to be installing from Myfirstwig. It's a super beginner friendly wig company. They really do a lot of the customizing themselves, and I felt like this company always got it when it came to beginner friendly, but also giving that realistic, super salon friendly experience at home. I also installed a bob unit from them just recently, so if you guys are interested to see how that turned out, I will link it right here in the top right corner, but I'll also put it down in the description box below. Yeah, this is basically the bag that your wig comes in. You will get a little wig accessory bag so you can have a easier install. It comes with duck clips as well as a comb. So I'm getting into a 10-inch Yaki wig. This is basically what it's looking like. It does come with combs attached and your draw straps in the bag. It also comes with this elastic band to get your wig to be as snug fitting as you would like it to be. And this is tinted lace as well as pre-bleached knots. And I can really tell that these knots are bleached because you can kind of see in the lace, it's kind of giving like an orange tint to it. So it's not over bleached, which is perfect. And it does give you that 13x6 parting in the middle. So we're just gonna pop this on. I already slicked my hair down with my lock and twist gel. That's kind of why my hair is looking a little crazy on the side.
Girl, that's in the US Open. I mean, I got this hidden.
So the lace is going ear to ear, which means that this is supposed to be side part wig. This is the look that I was going for anyway. 10-inch Yaki unit, natural hair color. My cap size is a 1. And this is a glueless wig, air lace, and is breathable and fitted. It's a 13x6.
I can hit it in the morning, yeah. Can I hit it in the morning, yeah. Can I hit it in the morning, yeah.
So far, I see that I am gonna have to use my shears to just cut around my ear tabs. I feel like my ear tabs are going down a little bit too far. So, as you can see, the ear tab is going a little bit over on this side too. So we're just gonna have to cut off that extraness. And I'm so excited to press this out because I have my good old hot comb. I bought this hot comb out here in Tampa and I kept it here. So y'all, I think I'm gonna cut her up a little bit. Like I think I'm gonna have her right here because I'm not trying to look like Craig's sister off of Friday. So this just needs a little bit of assistance up here, and I think I want to tint the lace because one thing about it, I be feeling like the lace is completely like tinted and looking perfect, but then when I get into other lighting, it can very much so clock the girl, and we're not trying to get clocked. First, I'm gonna cut away these ear tabs. I'm gonna add a little bit more hairspray. So this is what we're looking like so far. Bear with me. And what I'm gonna do now is just cut into the hair with my razors. Wish me luck.
Cause tonight we getting right into the weed more. Cook a nigga breakfast after sex is like a reward. Then I go my own way. You think about me all day, that's just a warning. And can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? And can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Yeah. Baby, you summertime fine. I let you get on top, I'll be the underline. Trying to get beside you.
So we press, hot, press out. I want this to have body yada 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 yada.
Rising while you're moaning. And can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Hey, can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Baby, you wintertime cold. The night is still young, drink that dinner wine slow. I'm trying to make the goosebumps on your inner thigh show. I'll let you beat me there as far as finish lines go. Yeah, and if you gotta leave for work, I'll be right here in the same bed that you left me in. I love thick women cause my aunt, she rode equestrian. I used to go to the stables and get them kids to bet me, and I would always...
Before I show you guys the look that I'm trying to achieve with this, I just wanted to show you guys the hairline one more time. My body got a little shake now, and that's what I was going for. It's pretty flat, and I love the parting still. So now all I want to do is just mold this like this. My little edge over here is trying to lift up, so bear with me.
Morning, yeah. Can I hit it in the morning? Yeah. Sun rising while you're moaning. Baby, can I hit?
I'm gonna just use this hairspray to achieve that look.
Hit it in the morning, yeah. Can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Hey, God bless the child that can hold his own. God bless the woman that can hold Patron. God bless our home girl that drove us home. No strings attached like a cordless phone. You see my intentions with you.
But we're about to open up this part, get into my slow-mos, and I'm gonna head out, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys always and forever. Let me know, guys. Let me know what style you want to see next from me.
About me all day, that's just a warning. Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Can I hit it in the morning? Can I hit it in the morning? And can I hit it in the morning? The sun rising while you're moaning. Yeah.